Hello, my name is John Haraburda, and I'm responsible for the Call Guardian product at TNS. TNS's Call Guardian is an industry-leading solution that provides call validation, treatment, and management presentation to the consumer to identify risky or malicious activity to that consumer to help protect them. With the mechanism of TNS's Call Guardian, we look at traffic in real time using the billions of activities that we have seen across the different services that TNS provides to service providers, and brings that in to an artificial intelligence platform to provide a real-time score and reputation, and then a treatment option that enables a consumer to block or push the voicemail of these calls to help prevent them from being impacted by fraud.